What's going on with this boxwood? It's on the front of my house, and I have another one 6 feet away that looks fine. And this is from Ms. Pam. Now, Joellen, we actually talked a little bit about this.
Yes.
Pretty interesting what you thought about that. So
Yeah.
do tell us.
It looks like it's in the front yard.
Okay.
It might not be, but it looks like
Okay.
it could be in the front yard. You know, neighborhood dogs could come around
Interesting.
and hike their leg up on that bush like they do, and
because it seems to be the right height.
It will. That's what it will do. It's too much urea for the plant, and it turns brown. Well, the fact that, you know, either that or it could have been somebody, since there's a nice even band, it could have been, you know, somebody came by with something and sprayed on it. I don't know if it would be a herbicide or not, because if you look, the stems, the top of the stem, part of it was dead, but the rest of it above it was alive. So whatever it is, it's phototoxic to it. So it's not dead or dying. It doesn't have any kind of patterns like blight or
yeah, it's definitely not blight or
it's something
dieback or anything.
No, nothing like that. So I would think one of those two things.
Interesting.
Is probably
that's pretty consistent pattern.
Pretty consistent pattern around it.
Or like somebody who was spraying the lawn.
Possibly.
Might have
just accidentally
just go
swiped
across it like that.
been.
But it should hopefully come back.
Yeah.
It usually does.
Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.